we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DollarDash Compact Laundry Dryer. Consists of the following features. 5 drying programs selection. You can set 5 different drying programs based on the material and weight of your clothes to meet your specific needs. There's the cool down mode, 0 to 20 minutes. The anti-wrinkle/easy iron mode, 60 to 90 minutes, making your clothes less wrinkled after drying and much easier to iron. The standard garments mode, 90 to 150 minutes, suitable for everyday regular clothes. The bulky clothing mode, 150 to 180 minutes, which can dry thick blankets, large curtains, and other bulky items. And the gentle cold air mode, 0 to 80 minutes, using soft cold air to take care of delicate fabrics. Powerful and effective. With an 800-watt power and a large capacity of 10 pounds, 10 pounds is the weight of wet clothes, it can dry your clothes in a jiffy. The maximum temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Even during a long stretch of rainy days, you can still keep your dresses dry every single day without worry. For a quicker drying result, we suggest not loading more than 5 pounds of clothes at one time. Durable and safety. This clothes dryer comes with a stainless steel tub, which makes it much more durable. When it's drying clothes, it can make your clothes tumble around sufficiently. As a result, your clothes won't look wrinkled but will become fluffy and soft again, just like new ones. What's more, if you accidentally open the door while the machine is running, it will stop automatically right away to ensure your safety. Compact and portable. This clothes dryer is very lightweight. It weighs only 31 pounds and its size is 22.1 x 18.9 x 15.8 inches. Its compact feature makes it suitable for small spaces such as apartments and dormitories. Multiple installation. There are several installation options. It can be hung on the wall, placed steadily on a flat ground, or installed on a rack for use, which is very convenient. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.